Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about certain symptoms related to nose or one of the medical condition which affects the nose. So you can make use of these symptoms or phrases if you receive a case note regarding this particular issue. So first one is a runny nose. In this case, the liquid constantly falls out from your nose which you need to frequently clear. Second one is a snorty nose. Snorty nose is where a thick, unpleasant liquid comes out of your nose, which could be only cleared by inhaling a mentholated steam. Third one is a dripping nose. Dripping nose. In this particular case, the liquid constantly falls out of your nose like a water from a tap. For example, the patient might tell the doctor like, my nose has been constantly dripping for the past 1 week. Or maybe for more than 1 week. Next one is a stuffy nose. Stuffy nose is where your nose is blocked partially so that it cannot be cleared, or the liquid becomes a little solidified which cannot be cleared. And the last one is blocked nose, where your nose is completely blocked, which is one of the severe respiratory conditions where you need to seek higher levels of medications and treatment. So these were some of the symptoms or some of the phrases which you can make use of once you receive a case note related to something which affects, or a medical condition which affects your nose related to all kinds of respiratory issues. And I hope you understood it and it was useful.